You need the following tools for assembly. Note that some of our fixtures are Torx screws. There's an accessories kit inside the fridge, a trim and a tool. First, cut open the strapping with the knife. Make sure to hold the knife properly so it doesn't scratch the appliance. First, remove the strip. Note the information on removing the transit protection. Use the accompanying plastic plug to fill the fastening holes. Take out the instructions and accessories kit. The next step is to check the dimensions. Check the right angles with a spirit level. The grill is important for the appliance to get enough air. Remove the power cable and plastic holder. Attach a string to the power plug to help assembly. Please check that the kit contains all the accessories. Clip the equalizer trim into place at the top center of the appliance. The two mounting brackets are pre-drilled for 4-point fixation. Remove the plastic cover on the handle side. The mounting brackets are used as stops for the correct fitting depth, on the handle side at the top and bottom. Trim the self-adhesive cover strip to size. The string will now help you to lay the power cable. See to the water connection of the optional ice maker before placing the appliance in position. For 16mm unit walls, attach spacers to all the hinges. Now fit the spring steel bracket onto the refrigerator door. Slide the appliance all the way in, as far as the stop depth. The clearance from the front edge should be 42 mm all the way round. This dimension also applies to kitchen units with a ceiling lip. If necessary, the upper clearance can be corrected by adjusting the feet. After the mounting brackets have been fitted, the stop aids are broken off. Please note, the broken off upper part is used later as a cover. Screw each hinge onto the body with 2 screws. The upper cover consists of 2 parts. The lower part comes in the accessories kit. Check the installation location and the locking mechanism. The 4-point fixation ensures perfect installation of the appliance. For completion with the door of the kitchen unit, the assembly aids should be positioned flush. The underside of the assembly aid is decisive here. Check again whether the distance of the 2 adjusting bolts from the top of the door is 8 mm. Undo the lock nuts and remove the crosspiece. Center the crosspiece on the inside of the door of the unit. And then fix it with the enclosed screws. Place the 2 assembly aids in readiness. Attach the door of the unit to the bolts. Pre-fix it. The door can be adjusted on all 3 axes, X, Y and Z. Fasten the 2 spring steel brackets to the door of the unit. They enable the door to be aligned in the Z direction by means of an elongated hole, in addition to the upper Z-axis adjustability. Then attach the plastic covers. A tip for doing this is to attach the covers to the 2 brackets from the front and snap them into place to the rear. Finally, check how well the refrigerator door and the door of the unit close. A characteristic of the door-on-door system is that it closes perfectly.